What's up guys? So ngayon, try nating mag-solve ng isang problem about DC circuits. Okay, so we have a problem here. A certain amount of fuel contains 17 times 10 raised to 10 BTU of energy. What is the corresponding energy in gigacalories? Okay, so kung makikita nyo, meron tayo ditong unit na BTU. So yung BTU, it stands for British Thermal Unit. Okay, so unit of energy pa rin siya. So, para ma-solve natin tong problem na to, so, kailangan nating mag-introduce ng certain conversions, no, para ma-convert natin yung BTU into calories or gigacalories. So, try nating isulat dito. So, first, siguro, try muna nating tignan yung conversion from joules to calories. So, 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. Okay, then next, so siguro try din natin ilagay yung conversion from BTU to calorie naman. So, bali yun na yung gagamitin natin since direct lang naman siya. So, 1 BTU is equal to 252 calories. So, yan yung conversion niya. So, approximately 252 calories yung isang British Thermal Unit natin. Okay? So, since meron na tayong conversion, try na natin isolve yung gigacalories natin. So, 17 times 10 raised to 10 BTU multiplied by, so kailangan nating ma-eliminate tong BTU. So, lagay tayo ng BTU dito and calories sa taas. So, 1 BTU is equal to 4.186 or 252 calories pala. So, ito siya. 252 calories. Then, since gigacalories yung kailangan natin, so convert lang natin yung calorie into gigacalories. So, cal and gigacal. So, kapag giga, alam naman natin, di ba? Kapag giga is just 1 times 10 raised to 9. Okay, so 1 times 10 raised to 9 calories is equal to 1 gigacalorie. Okay, so try na natin isolve. 17 times 10 raised to 10 BTU times 252 over 1 or simply 252 na lang times 1 over 1 times 10 raised to 9. So, magiging sagot natin is 42840. So, energy is equal to 42840 gigacalories. Okay, so, kung titignan natin yung choices natin, so, ang pinakamalapit na answer dito is letter C. Okay. So, approximately 42,800 gigacalories. Okay, so with that, thank you sa panonood and pakikinig. Bye guys!